Yes. Next.
Thank you. My people, I have come here as the representative of the people of Obasi in this demonstration. Our people are suffering, and I want to tell the entire world that our people are suffering, that they cannot get resources because of the beach that has been affected here. One of the things is that there are people, there is mortuary behind me, there is a hospital behind me. Our people are not able to get to hospital. Our people are not able to get bodies from their mortuary to the grave. So I would like to ask a member of parliament, we are giving 14 days. The resolution that we have today, that he needs to publish the contractor who is going to make this bridge at the CDF officers' wall, so that everybody should know that we have a contractor in 14 days. The other thing that I would like to mention is that there are so many injustices that I've seen in our constituency. One of the injustices that I've seen in the constituency is that one of the wards has received 81 million in 6 years. And as we speak, they are going to receive 18 million for a school in the same constituency and 22 million for a police station. So I would like to ask our people to see the kind of injustice that this member of parliament is doing. And I want him to wake up, to know that he has 8 wards and he needs to divide everything equally to everybody in the constituency. Thank you so much. We are going to come back in 14 days. In 14 days to see if he has given us a contractor who is going to make this wall. Thank you so much.